filling your cupcake liners about halfway to 3/4 of the way full, and using an ice cream scoop will help you to fill them more equally. Bake your cupcakes according to your recipe's directions, and while they're baking, we can start to color the buttercream. I'm using Chef Master Teal Green Gel Food Coloring here, and start off 1 drop at a time until you've reached the desired color. Gel food coloring is very concentrated, so a lot will go a long way. And next, we'll prep the piping bag with a 1M piping tip. And to do this, we'll place the tip into the bag, then score it with scissors so you're able to see exactly where to cut it. Push the tip through the opening and secure it to make sure it's fitting well. Placing the piping bag inside of a tall cup is my favorite way to add frosting to the bag. It makes the whole process so much easier and way less messy, at least for me. So once you've added your frosting to the bag, pull the bag out and guide the frosting down towards the tip. Always twist the bag at the top so that your frosting doesn't spill out. And when piping, you should always apply pressure from this place as well for the same reason. Once your cupcakes have completely cooled, start piping a simple rosette onto each. And you start in the center of the cupcake, apply a bit of pressure until the frosting comes out, then swing it around to the outer edge. At the end of the swirl, stop pressure and pull away. The position of the piping tip should be hovering just above the cupcake and never directly on it, and this will allow you to create a beautiful rosette. Next, we'll top with Oreos and sprinkles, and you can choose to use a full Oreo if you'd like. I chose half just for the design purpose. Using a colorful sprinkle mix will really help finish the look of the cupcake and make it look super professional. The 1M rosette is a classic technique and a great style to use, especially when in a time crunch. You can easily decorate 2 dozen cupcakes in less than 5 minutes. This style of cupcake is a great one for any type of celebration because it's so versatile. I really hope you found this tutorial helpful, and please tag me on Instagram so I can see yours.